Okay, can you see your book page on the screen? Yes, all of you can see. Very good. Okay, here is question number 1. Look at the screen. Question number 1. Here is a flowering plant. You can see. Copy and complete these sentences. You will complete this on your book. Okay. So look at the plant now. There are different parts which are labeled as A, B, C, and D. And now A is the, all of you know, you can write in the chat box. If you know the answer, you can write in the chat box so that I could know that you are understanding. So, okay, this is A is the root. Good. You will write root. All of you know the spelling of root. Now you are in class 3. So A is the root. Okay. Are you doing? Subhan, Ali, are you doing? Mama, are you understanding? A is the root. So write in your B is the okay. You can write in, okay. C is a, C. This is C. What is C? Leaf. C is a leaf. Leaf spelling, I hope you all know the spelling of leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. D is the, where is D? Here, this is D. Okay, what is D? You can, flower. Good. Very good. This is, A is the root, B is the stem, C is a leaf, D is the flower. Okay. Now show me your thumb reaction if you understanding, if you have done this. Okay, show me your thumb reaction if you have done question number 1 on your book. Okay, good, good, very good, very good. Jasper, Dime, I cannot see thumb reaction. Have you done? Just show me your thumb reaction. I can see you. Dime, you are not giving any thumb reaction. Iram, okay, good. Very good. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 2. Here is question number 2 now. Okay. On your book. Now look at your books, everyone. Question number 2. You get it? Question number 2. Okay. Copy and complete. Filling the blanks. These are filling the blanks that you will choose from the list and write in the blanks. You will do this on your book. Copy and complete the sentences using the missing words. You may use each word more than once. ठीक है, आप इसको बुक पे ही करेंगे, कॉपी पे नहीं करने की जरूरत. यू विल फिल द ब्लैंक्स ऑन द बुक. द वर्ड्स आपको दिए हुए जो ब्लू बॉक्सेस में वर्ड्स हैं, रूट्स, फ्लावर्स, स्टेम, लीव्स, वाटर. These are the words you have to put into the sentences. First is plants have dash that are under the ground. Which thing is under the ground, you know? Roots, yes. So you will write here roots. Plants have roots. Hurry up, keep on writing. Okay, plants have roots that are under the ground. Next sentence I'm going to say now. These hold the plant up and also absorb dash. ओके क्या चीज है जो प्लांट को होल्ड करके रखती है सॉइल में? रूट्स. ये रूट्स ही हैं जो होल्ड करती हैं सॉइल में और वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करती हैं, आपको पता ऑलरेडी. ठीक है, तो अगेन यहाँ पे रूट्स ही आएगा. दीज होल्ड द प्लांट अप एंड ऑल्सो एब्जॉर्ब वाटर. वाटर आएगा यहाँ पे. रूट्स ही एब्जॉर्ब करती है ना वाटर. वाटर ही एब्जॉर्ब करती है ना. फर्स्ट वाली जो आपकी ब्लैंक है वहां पर आएगा प्लांट्स हैव रूट्स, ओके, दैट आर अंडर द ग्राउंड. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, दीज होल्ड द प्लांट्स, ये रूट्स के बारे में वो कह रहे हैं. दीज होल्ड द प्लांट अप एंड ऑल्सो एब्जॉर्ब वाटर. वाटर ही एब्जॉर्ब करती है ना सॉइल से रूट्स. तो यहाँ पे आएगा वाटर. जो आपका सेकंड वाला ब्लैंक है वहां पे आप लिखोगे वाटर. ओके, the water, next is the water is transported to the stem and then to the leaves and the flowers. ठीक है, जो वाटर अब रूट से एब्जॉर्ब कर रही है ना, तो वो ऊपर तक जाएगा ना. अब तो कहाँ कहाँ तक जाएगा? स्टेम में जाएगा, फिर लीव्स में जाएगा और फ्लावर्स में जाएगा. The water is transported to the stem and then to the leaves and then the flowers. Okay, done class? Amen, are you writing? Amen, are you writing? Okay. Next word is, next sentence is, the dash make food for the plant. And you already know, कौन बनाता है plant के लिए food? Leaves. The leaves make food for the plant. The leaves make food for the plant. अब second last sentence. The leaves make for the plant. Now the last sentence. The dash help the plant to make seeds. अब seed कहाँ पे बनते हैं आपको पता है प्लांट में? Anyone can tell me where the seeds are formed? Already you know from 2 class. Where the seeds are made? Flowers. Okay. The flowers help the plant to make seeds. Okay. Okay, class. If you have completed, then show me your thumb reaction. Okay. If you have completed, if you have finished question number 2, filling the blanks, then show me your thumb reaction. Who have finished? Okay, good, Shavir. Now I'm going to repeat for you. Look at your books. I'm going to repeat it for you. So listen carefully, everyone. Plants have roots that are under the ground. Look at the books. Look at the books where to see that you have written or not, or if it is right or wrong. Okay. Now I'm going to repeat. Plants have roots that are under the ground. These hold the plant up and also absorb water. The water is transported to the stem and then to the leaves and the flowers. The leaves make food for the plant. The flowers help the plant to make seeds. Okay? Show me your thumb reaction if you have finished it, if you have completed it. Okay. Very good. Very good, Rachel. Very good, Shahaz, Sarah. Carol, you are not showing me thumb reaction. Very good. Okay. Now the question number 3 on page 15. Look at question number 15. Question number 3 on page 15, this page. Okay. We are doing this page now. Question number 3. I hope you find in your book. Okay. Okay. Question number 3. You can see pictures of different things. These are water, light, food, plant, pot. Question is, I'm going to read the question now. Listen carefully. Which two of these does a plant need for it to grow? This question you will do in your copy. Okay. You will write this in your copy, not on the book. Okay. Which two of these does a plant need? Now you can tell me easily कि इनमें से कौन सी चीजें जो कि प्लांट को चाहिए to grow. Obviously everyone knows water and light, so you will do this in your copy. So I'm going to show you slide now where the question answer of this page are written. Okay, here you can see. Okay, today is 11th. You will do this question, these two questions in your notebooks now. Okay, in your science copies. Unit is looking after plants. Topic, check your progress. जो कि आपका page 15 पर है. This is homework. Okay. These questions are on page 15. Okay. Answer of question number 3 is already it is in your book. There are blanks. You will write in the blanks and then you will copy question number 3 on your notebook also. Right? First of all, you will write question number 3 and answer. I have told you which are the two things. These things are water and light. Okay, you will copy that question in your notebook first of all, and then you will write question number 4. Okay, now I'm going to start read the question number 4. Louis and Cheng have planned an investigation. ठीक है, इन दो पिक्चर बनी हुई है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 के साथ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के साथ पिक्चर बनी हुई है। ठीक है, उन्होंने क्या किया हुआ है, उनके पास प्लांट है जो कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, कवर कर रहे हैं उसको, और एक प्लांट को कवर कर रहे हैं, एक उसी तरह से है। तो इसका मीन्स है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो ये देखने की जरूरत होती है या नहीं। दिस इज योर इन्वेस्टिगेशन। की पिक्चर देख के आपको जो आइडिया हो रहा है कि उन्होंने 2 प्लांट्स हैं। ओके, वेरी गुड। ओके, देर आर 2 प्लांट्स, one they are covering one plant with the box as you see in the picture. Very good. Okay, so what they are doing, the question number A is, part A is, what are they investigating? Okay, so its answer is, and don't confuse it कि this is again a question. No, this is not a question. This is the answer of this question. What are they investigating? मतलब आपको वो ये पूछ रहे हैं कि वो क्या इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं, तो वो आपने उनका बताना है कि वो ये चीज इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं। डू प्लांट्स नीड लाइट टू ग्रो? ठीक है, दे आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग दिस। वेरी गुड अली हमजा, वेरी गुड। ओके, now B part of this question is, what do they need to keep the same to make the test fair? ठीक है, अब फेयर टेस्ट आपको इसके वर्ड्स मीनिंग में आपको ऑलरेडी आई हैव टोल्ड व्हेन यू वर इन स्कूल। मैं आपको दोबारा बता देती हूँ कि फेयर टेस्ट वो होते हैं कि जिसमें आप एक चीज को सेम रखते हो और बाकी चीजों को डिफरेंट, बाकी चीजों को डिफरेंट रखते हो, और वन थिंग जो है वो आप उसको चेंज करते हो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे ये इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं कि डू प्लांट्स नीड लाइट टू ग्रो। ठीक है, अब वो ये क्या करेंगे कि लाइट को चेंज करेंगे, बाकी सेम अमाउंट ऑफ एयर एंड वाटर जो है वो प्लांट को प्रोवाइड करेंगे, और टेम्परेचर भी। लेकिन फर्क क्या करेंगे कि लाइट, एक प्लांट को लाइट मिलेगी और एक प्लांट को लाइट नहीं मिलेगी, लेकिन बाकी चीज़ें जो हैं वो सेम रहेंगी। लाइक टेम्परेचर है, उसको पानी जो देना है उन्होंने डेली वो सेम रखना है, और उसको सेम जगह पे रखना है जहाँ पे एक जैसी एयर हो। ठीक है, अब आप देखें कि अब उन्होंने सिर्फ एक चीज को डिफरेंट किया है, दैट इज ओनली लाइट। तो ये फेयर टेस्ट है। आंसर है इसका, दे मस्ट यूज द सेम टाइप ऑफ प्लांट, गिव देम द सेम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर एंड कीप द टेम्परेचर द सेम। ठीक है, जैसे मैंने आपको अभी बताया कि उनको प्लांट भी सेम रखना है, वाटर भी दोनों को सेम देना है, और उनका जो टेम्परेचर है वो भी सेम रखना है, उन दोनों को सेम टेम्परेचर में रखना है। और डिफरेंट क्या चीज करना है उन्होंने, सिर्फ ओनली दे विल कीप द लाइट डिफरेंट, एक को लाइट देंगे और एक को लाइट नहीं देंगे। these you will write these questions in your copy. Okay, these questions you will write in your copies. Very good. 3 of you have done this page. Okay, class. Okay, you will do this in your copies. It's available to you. And I'm watching. Some of you are still writing the name of your mobile. So how I can take your attendance? Because from today I will take your attendance. Class 3, white, blue, and pink. But if you have written that a mobile name on your screen, then how I could know the who are you? So please, all of you, write your name on this mobile or on your mobile, not the mobile name. Yours name should be so that I could take attendance. Okay, Ali Arif has written his name, Sabir, Ali, Rachel, and many, some of you have written your father or mother. Feroz, very good. फिरोज ने अपना नाम लिखा हुआ है, शहाज ने भी लिखा हुआ है, मोहम्मद अली ने भी लिखा हुआ है. And this is here Galaxy A10. I could not understand who is this. Please write your name. Write your name instead of your mob. 4 ka part C. Which plant will grow the best? Already you know the plant in the light will grow best. जिसको टेम्परेचर वाटर और लाइट मिल रही है प्रॉपर, वही ग्रो करेगा बेस्ट. ग्रो वो भी करेगा बट नॉट प्रॉपरली. This is also available on YouTube or WhatsApp class. Thank you for today.